Let's look at the listening part 1 in the Cambridge first. Part 1 is 8 different questions, and in the exam you hear one of the questions. Then there is a short pause, you listen for the first time, there's another pause, and then you listen for the second time, and this happens with each of the 8 questions. Now we'll talk about how it's organized. Here we have an example from a listening test with the instructions at the top, which tells us that it's 8 different situations. We then have a question and 3 possible answers. The first thing to do is to highlight the key information in the question and also in the answers. And you can see there we've changed the color on the question and also on the possible answers. When you listen, think about what the speaker says about these answers. Does the speaker talk about one or more of these answers? Try to listen for words that will help you decide which answers the speaker talks about. And when you listen for the second time, use this information to help you decide which of the answers is correct. Here's an example from the listening, and here we have the tape script. So which of these answers is correct? If we look at the tape script, it's clear that the person is talking about new information, so A is not correct. This is the correct answer, and we can see this from the first line of the tape script. The person is making an invitation, so B is our correct answer here. And then C, they are not trying to persuade them to do anything. In the last part of this extract, you can see that the person has a choice.